Hello and welcome guys. Hope we are doing great. So in this video today we will see how to create a user role. How you will be able to create a new role in LMS. So for this you need to have a credential that have the right and capability to create a new role. For example, the admin always have. So under site administration, click on it and click on users. Now here under the permission section you will find user policy, site administrators, define roles. So click on this define roles. So here you can see the list of role that is already in the LMS. You can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So by default you will find the 8 role in Moodle 4.1 installation. Okay. So from here you can create user. You need to click on this add a new role. So at the time of creating a new role, it will be asking you to from which role you want to begin with. For example, if you want to create a role that require the permission like manager, then you can search here for manager. If you would like to create a user that require the permission similar to student, you can pick here student. But in this tutorial I want to refer as a manager role. So I will be clicking here on this and click on continue. So the short name we will have to provide. Let's manager 1 you can say. Because why I am putting 1 here, because manager is already there, so it has to be a different name, and I will type here the full name manager, new manager, let's say. And below you can type the full description here. So as you see, I have selected on the previous form of that manager. Now if you want to change this also, you can change that, but I will not change here, otherwise this capability will be changed. Okay. So allow role of assignment. So this newly created role, what are the role this user, any user with this role can assign the role. So these are the list of roles. If you want to this role to assign only student role, then you have to pick this student role only. If you want all these role, then you have to pick all these. So the allow role override. Role override means at the time of switching role, they will be able to override these roles. Allow role switch, sorry, this one is the allow role switch. Role overriding means when you are giving the capability, their capability can be override with these roles. So these are the list of roles. So allow role switches. So here you will find on this section. So here are all the roles will be listed, whichever role you select here. And allow role to view. So this newly created user roles assigned to any user, then these are the role they can view. Okay. So that's it. Let it be by default and click on create new role. Create this role. So now you can see your role is created. So now go back to the page and again come here, define roles. You see your new manager role is created. Okay. You can also verify after clicking here. If you want to disallow, uncheck any of this capability, you can also do that. For example, by default the learner will have the any user assigned this role will have the capability to add learning plans. If you want to disallow, you can just uncheck this. Okay, so let me uncheck this one and font page setting, I don't want this role to be granted this capability. So these are the things you can allow or disallow. Okay, so I have disallowed the two capabilities and now saving. So what are the purpose of creating a new user before new user role? Because the need of creating a new user is because we want some user or a group allow only these specific capabilities, and that is not being fulfilled by your default role. So this is how the new roles comes into the existence, and you have to create these roles and you can assign that role to that particular user for which you are looking for the that specific permission. So if you want to assign the system role here, you can directly assign here. For example, I have created this new manager. If I want to assign any of these for any of one of user of this four, I can assign, simply assign this. Okay, so now this user will have all the capability we have granted here for this role. So try this at your end and assign some extra capability and try revoking some capability and check uh, if it is working in your case. So in case of any query, you can put me in the comment area, and for all the future updates you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.